So find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to connect to the here and now. Allowing this moment to be all that there is. Allowing the presence of the earth underneath you. To show its support. Let yourself feel that support coming from the earth, from the ground beneath you. Notice how it's felt in the different parts of your body. And as you feel the presence of the earth underneath you, imagine a huge old and wise tree. Imagine it in all its little details. This is a really old tree. It is many centuries old. Its roots are thick and strong and go deep into the earth. Its trunk is wide and strong and survives storms, the strongest winds. The harshest winters. And you are this tree. You are its thick and strong roots going down into the earth, receiving nutrients and so much more, interconnected to other trees, exchanging information, energy, belonging, strength. You are this tree in the strength of its trunk, wide and tall and proud and strong in its confidence of having been there for so long, in having seen so much, in being so much. And you are the branches of this tree. Many, many, many branches stretching up and out receiving the sunshine, receiving the energy of the sun, receiving the life energy of the planet, receiving the wisdom of everything that surrounds you. Receiving and at the same time holding your strong boundaries. In the knowing of you being this tree, in the knowing of your strength, in the knowing of your wisdom, in the knowing of your calm confidence, in the knowing of the expansion that you witnessed in yourself and in everything else that surrounds you over time. And you are this tree. And you are the home of many different little critters and creatures and beings. You are their home. You are their container. You provide safety among your thick, strong roots and trunk and branches and leaves. You provide the wisdom that everything is gonna be okay. And yet sometimes these creatures that are a part of you forget that you are there. They forget how your energy feels like. They forget the safety that you provide. Forget the wisdom that you are. They forget the loving and compassionate presence that you are. And as you're here, as this majestic tree, reach out to all those parts of you who might not remember that you're there, who might have gotten disconnected for one reason or the other. And just imagine a flow going from your true heart and essence and core of this tree. And let this flow carry your safe and loving presence and carry it to all these parts of you one by one, just touching them gently so that they can feel you. Perceive your presence, remembering that they have always been home remembering that they're not alone, remembering that core, that wisdom, that knowing, that calm, that playfulness that comes with it. Embrace all the parts of you with the safe belonging into you. And notice which parts of you can receive this flow of energy. Which parts of you are feeling soothed and reassured. Acknowledge their presence. And notice which parts of you might not be able to see you and feel you yet. So distant, so disconnected, so alone. And touch them again gently to let them know that they're there. And that you will be back as many times as it's needed to restore the connection. And notice what parts of you might feel you and not trust you. The parts of you that might feel that this energy is dangerous, that it comes with threats. With fears, with an inability of receiving it. And take the time that you need to be with all these parts as you are this tree. And honor them for what they do, who they are, and their role in your system. And take all the time that you need to live this place and time inside your system. And bring its qualities with you. And get again acquainted with your surroundings, with the reality around you.